Hi, and today we are going to be explaining a very new lesson for today. Today's record and today's lesson is logic dash conditional state dash conditional state. Let's start our video explaining. Okay, okay. If I say, for example, if it is my birthday, then I will get a gift. Again, if it is my birthday, then I will get a gift. If it is my birthday, then I will get a gift. So, what is my hypothesis? If it is my birthday, this is my hypothesis. Then I will get a gift. This is my conclusion of the idea itself. Okay, if I have the logic conditional, again, if I have the logic conditional, I say P approaches what? Approaches Q. So first step in conditional logic, it's converse. Converse means that I swap all over. If it's P approaches Q, now I swap it to Q approaches P. Okay? If it's P approaches Q, now I swap it to Q approaches P. Second step. Second step after converse is inverse. Inverse, it means if you have not in the word, then remove the word. If you have not in the word, then remove. If you don't have not, you don't remove. If you don't have not, you don't remove. And finally, we have contrapositive. In contrapositive in logic, I have to state it as equal statement. Okay? In contrapositive in logic, I have to state it into equal statement. No more. So in contrapositive, I have to state it to equal statement. Not only a statement and then I stop. No, that doesn't work. Not only the statement I talk about doesn't work. In statements like this, I have to say it in contrapositive. In contrapositive, it's equal. Okay? Okay. Now first, in contrapositive, I get what? My converse. To add it into the logic into inverse. So I get the converse and the inverse. The converse, I swap. The inverse, I stop swapping. Okay? Okay, which is Q approaches P. When Q approaches P, then NQ approaches what? NP. Okay, let's take an example then to practice more. To take an example to practice more, I say if I study hard, if I study hard, I will get above 650. I will get above 650. Okay, in first statement I do the converse. If I get above 650, then I will study hard. This is converse. What if I say it inverse? If I get above 650, then I study hard. This is only how to do it into converse in logic. First step. Second step, to do it into inverse. Inverse, I have to put don't. Inverse in the word, I have to put don't. If I don't study hard, if I don't study hard, I won't get above 650. If I don't study hard, I won't get above 650. I won't get above 650. Okay, finally we have is contrapositive or contrapositive. Contra or contrapositive. In contra or contrapositive, I say like this: I do the converse and the inverse together. Only in contrapositive, I do the converse and the inverse together. Okay, what if I say, for example, if I don't get above 650, then I won't study hard. Again, if I don't get above 650, then I won't study hard. If I don't get above 650, then I won't study hard. Then I won't study hard. Okay, okay. There are in logic types of proof, but we have to take first the biconditional. Biconditional, like if conditional. Biconditional is equal to if conditional. Into if conditional, I have to say that P approaches Q. That's it. Parallel to Q once and then parallel to Q twice. Okay. If line A parallel to line B, again, this question. If line A parallel to line B parallel to A. Okay, fine. You can see it here, drawn. Okay. Finally, we have a logic type of proof. Then we have finished our lesson for today. Finally, in logic, we have types of proof. There are only three types of proof. There are only three types of proof. First type is indirect proof. Indirect proof gives us the opposite of the question, which means it's contradiction. It's contradiction. If I say it, for example, again, if x equals 2, ha, then 3x minus 1 doesn't equal 4. So 3x minus 1 equals 4. Now I swap the negative, so 3x equals 5. Okay, then x equals 5 over 3. Then this is contradiction. Contradiction if I am against the whole situation. Secondly is circular reasoning. Secondly is circular reasoning. And to circular reasoning, I say here, if A equal B, B equals C, then A equals, so A approaches B, B approaches C, then C approaches A. This is called a circular reasoning. This is called a circular reasoning. Then finally, we have proof by induction. Again, proof by induction. Into first step, I do it in logic. I have to plug in. Plug in what? What n equals 1. Secondly, n equals k. Thirdly, I have to plug in which is n equals k plus 1. هل دي صح? Is that correct or is that incorrect? If it's that correct, it's n equals k plus 1. If it's correct, it's correct. If it's incorrect, please check your mistakes and then try to answer it by your own. Okay? Okay. And that's it. And if you needed any more help, please help me and I will explain it again.